Christmas. Welcome to Niecy's Food Journey. Today is Christmas Eve, and usually this is a day we set aside for baking and meal prep for the following day. Today we're going to go ahead and prep our turkey, make some cranberry sauce, a cheese ball, Rice Krispie treats, several kinds of cookies, and some peppermint bark. Come join us. I'm going to start with these chocolate chip cookies. Getting them all ready. Now we're going to move on to our Rice Krispie treats. We have never made these before, but they're very simple. Just a couple ingredients. You put it into a little dish and you let it cool and then you cut them up. That's it. Now we're going to do this peppermint bark, which we've also never made before. We're going to start by crushing our candy canes to oblivion. And then using a double boiler, we're going to melt our chocolate. It only takes a couple of minutes to start melting. This is another very easy recipe. Just 3 ingredients. Now we're going to add our peppermint extract. Give that a stir. And then we're going to pour this onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet. There's our turkey for tomorrow. Once we have it on the sheet, we're going to top it with the peppermint. That looks pretty good. And now we are going to go ahead and freeze this until it sets. Then we'll break it up into little pieces. Do you like to make lists when you're really busy doing a lot of cooking? Well, I do. This is a list of what I have to do on Christmas Eve and what we have to do on Christmas Day. And today is a day for cranberry sauce. We like to use fresh orange juice, so we're going to go ahead and use a couple oranges here. I like to put the peels inside the cranberry sauce. They're beautiful and they give a lot of extra flavor. There's that peppermint bark. I went ahead and broke it up. Now I'm going to keep it in the fridge to munch on. We're going to add our orange juice to our cranberry sauce. Then you add a little bit of water, brown sugar, white sugar. That's it. We're going to stir it up and we're just going to cook this for a couple hours until it thickens. What are we doing next? The cheese ball. This is a cranberry and pecan cheese ball. Also the first time making this. So we got cream cheese, we have dried cranberries, and we're going to add some pecans. It called for white cheddar, but I didn't have any, so I'm just using what I have for tomorrow's mac and cheese. I'm going to add that along with some Romano and some Parmesan. I see a little puppy. The Earl of Spencer has joined us in the kitchen. Hello, baby. We add some chives and then we combine it all together, and we're going to wrap it in saran wrap in the form of a ball and chill until it's ready to serve. Our cranberries are cooking away. They look fantastic. And now we're going to start baking the cookies. These are snowball cookies, and those are my son's chocolate chip cookies. There you go. That's better. The chocolate chip turned out beautifully. Our cranberries have thickened. They look beautiful. And now for the snowballs, to turn them into snowballs. These are really butter cookies with pecans, and then you just go ahead and dunk them in powdered sugar. Our cranberry sauce, we like to store them in mason jars. They're so beautiful. Here's our Rice Krispie treats. We're going to go ahead and cut them up soon. The cookies are all done. These made a lot of Rice Krispie treats. There's our cheese ball, our peppermint bark, our snowball cookies, our Rice Krispie treats, and our chocolate chip cookies, all done. We couldn't wait. We had to give it a try, and it tastes very, very good. I highly recommend this. Now I got to prep our turkey for the smoker tomorrow. So we're going to go ahead and spatchcock it, and then we're going to do a dry brine overnight. I made a little brine with some salt, pepper, and some brown sugar, and that'll be our Christmas dinner. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe so you can join me on my future journeys.